Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Miles.
And it's time for another episode of Professional Mukbang, the mukbang show where we try something spicy and we see if it's really all that spicy. We're not going to jump around like a lot of YouTubers do, acting the fool. We're going to, do our thing, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So today we're going to try this. This is Buldak Yakisoba. This is the US version. The overseas version comes with an extra sachet with this magical goo. Here's what I made for the review, and here's what I made for us today. It's just the standard, nothing added, and yeah. Well, I guess we should have our sip of beverage. Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
It looks to be kind of hot, so, You know the drill.
Yeah.
Alright, ready, set?
Go.
This stuff's weird. I think it tastes good, like yakisoba, but then it's got that pepper extract hit. So it's like two things that are like so separate from each other that kind of don't really come together, but it's good.
I just can't stop eating this.
You like this one?
Yeah, 5 stars.
Wow. Definitely not as hot as the other ones that I've had. This one, if you did 1 to 10 stars of heat, I guess, you might put this at like a 3. Definitely on the lower end of the stick when it comes to Bulldok. How are you doing with the heat?
Good.
Yeah, I thought
It's like not spicy. All of a sudden, it's just hot.
Yeah, it's just got some heat to it. I noticed you weren't jumping for your water like immediately too.
I'm not jumping. When it's spicy, I'm never gonna jump around and be crazy.
Well, no, but you've had ones before where you're immediately like running for that water. So it's spring break?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spring break. Spring winning.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We've got some interesting mukbang coming up. Miles found something that I had never heard of before called Bulldok Hotter Than My Ex. Well, it looks like all it is what do you call it? Just different packaging for the original.
Mm-hmm.
But no hochi. It's got that other weird thing on it.
From the spicy that we've tried.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's that thing called?
Peppo?
Peppo?
Yeah.
Yeah, here it is. Yeah, you may not have ever seen this one. Wow. Dust, but yeah.
I watched a video on Buldak.com.
So trippy.
Yeah.
You found he's found out about types of bulldog way before I have, so that's helpful. Almost done with this one.
Yeah.
The heat does build up, but it's not like that. Are you gonna have some more?
I just need a moment.
Okay.
I'll put the fire out and then I'll have.
Putting the fire out. Okay.
Alright, I'll have some more.
All right. There you go. He's getting to be a pro at this, folks. He's Mr. Bulldog guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. You tapping out?
Yeah, it's just too
Oh,
hot.
okay. Well, take your fork. Not much left here. This will be. I'll make some quick work of this.
Yeah.
Done. Wow. I put an extra ingredient in there that you didn't know about. The bits.
Oh.
That one had vegetable in it or something. But you tried it. You didn't complain about it. But yeah, this one's good. My mouth is burning. I'll go with that, but
Same.
yeah.
Yeah, look at my lips, folks.
Yeah, you got some, you look like you ate a bunch of, like, straight up animal.
Yeah, probably
Some animal.
spicy ramen.
Yeah. Alright, well, cool. This has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.